Okay, 3 reasons why I like tours like this. First off, they're priced really well. This one was only $32. I find that to be a good deal for a 3.5 hour tour. If 3.5 hours for a tour like this is too long, we have a link down below to a 2-hour historical pub tour also. That's really good too. Number 2 is it's not a pub crawl, this is a history tour. And that's what I love about it. The beer is just a great bonus, right? It's just a wonderful way to like have a few drinks, hang out in a pub. It's not fast. She gives great facts. We're walking through the city. This is wonderful. And number 3, it is such a great way to learn the culture and the history at the same time. You go out with a local guide, they teach you all these little nuggets of the history, but also you get these like, good little slang terms and, little English things. And then you can also ask the guide afterwards for your favorite restaurants to go to, or their favorite restaurants to go to, good places to, go out for dinner. And like, we don't have all the answers. We're not experts on London, and we're always learning more. And it's guys like this that teach us so many new things. Click the link down below to learn more about this tour and see why you like it so much, because I bet you will. Okay. Good reason to do this tour. So my wife used to work just down the street here. We walked by this pub dozens of times and never gave it any attention. But with this tour, she led us here, gave us a history of it, brought us inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like I've never seen a pub so well designed in like the workmanship and like the bronze. And apparently a famous artist did it way back in the day in the 19th century. And it's all about like the Blackfriars and stuff. Anyways, this is a good reason to do these historical tours because you go in pubs that you may have never gone in. It's one of the reasons why I did this tour is check out some new pubs in London. Pretty cool. Cheers. All right, we just came off the street of shame. Curious to see where she's taking us. Oh, this is good. Okay, my favorite part of this tour was actually between the pubs. She'd take us in these like little alleyways and old cemeteries, and these places I've never been to in the city of London. They just give us great history. And don't get me wrong, the pub's been phenomenal. I haven't been to any of these pubs, so I learned a lot. Drank some really good beer. To learn more about this tour and other good historic London pub tours, we only talk about good ones, click the link down in the description below and have a wonderful time visiting London. Gotta say, you gotta do a tour. They're so well priced and you learn so much. This is a good way to experience London. Thanks for watching.